Welcome to Britton Farms Homestead. Hi, I'm April. Today we are doing a video for a collaboration with Nuffin Edited. If you don't know who she is, you should go check out her channel. I'll put a link in the description below. She has put out a collaboration for channels to make videos for making a meal for a family on a budget. So you have $5 to buy your ingredients. And it has to feed 4 people. So $5 or less, and you gotta feed 4 people with it. And me and my friend went to Walmart, and we got the ingredients for a couple different meals. And I'm gonna show you what we came up with. All this was bought at Walmart. The Great Value brand is the Walmart brand. And here's the receipt. So $4.64 was the total for rice, refried beans, and corn. And she's gonna make like a fiesta bowl with rice, beans, and corn. So this is what I come up with. Mac and cheese. Here's a pint of vanilla ice cream. Now everybody's just gonna get a spoonful or something, but it's a sweet treat of some kind. And a bag of tater tots and broccoli that you could steam. So this is to feed the family of 4, under $5. And the total on this one was, that's the wrong one. That one's Rhonda's. The total on this one was $4.60. Hey, both of ours was $4. Oh, yours was $4.64. Hers was $4.64 and mine was $4.60. So her grandson Braxton, this is his idea, and I thought he was pretty creative. He's got the ramen noodles, 4 packs of the ramen noodles, and then he's gonna make a stir fry to put in it with the carrots and the onions and some canned chicken. And his total was $4.42. Do you want to tell them about your
stir-fried noodle?
Stir-fried noodle.
Stir-fried noodle. Yeah. It's noodles that was stir-fried, and it's stir-fried noodles. So the interesting thing about it was I took the noodles after cooking them and I stir-fried them. So they're actually not normal noodles, but they're stir-fried noodles. That's all I gotta say. It's stir-fried noodles.